everyone, welcome back with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe this channel. QDAS dashboard streamline staking and voting plus APR update. But if you are keen, read to learn more about our band new QDAS dashboard and an important APR update. Dashboard QDAS is excited to announce the newest QDAS dashboard. Your go-to place for anything to do with your students' token holdings. Once done, you'll land on the QDAS dashboard main page, which presents useful information about your available tokens. Moreover, you'll be able to see your staked studios and available rewards in the main wallet section. The page also features real-time network statistics, including the current price, total amount staked, active validators, online voting powered, and the latest block. The dashboard only connects to the QDAS network blockchain, so any functionality or token balances must be native tokens, not ERC20 as on Ethereum. However, if you do hold non-native pseudos, you can easily bridge them to the networks for staking via the staking on the staking page of the dashboard. You can see the complete list of validators alongside the option to delegate to any of them. You can also find information on the voting power commission proportion of the total amount staked through the validator held by the validator itself, number of delegators, and current status. Proposals. Finally, the proposals page allows you to view, deposit to, and vote on existing proposals as well as create new ones. APR announcement. We have been having a lot of discussion recently about this discrepancy APR values shown in the Explorer and the actual APR values received as rewards. Strangely, the value in the Explorer does not consider the difference in time between the block time estimate 5 seconds and true block time slightly over 6 seconds, which result in lower earnings than the APR value suggests. The APR value also doesn't consider the community treasury tax rate that goes to the community pool to fund new promising projects. The Sudas token on Ethereum was earning 15% before our mainnet launch. So far, earnings have been a few percent less than that on mainnet. Therefore, we are looking to adjust the block time estimate so that earnings make up for the decrease in the past 2 months since launch. Please note that the total number of tokens being distributed per block will be higher than it was in Ethereum, as we increase the rate when we move to mainnet. However, the APR figure depends on the total stake, and it also decreases over time following our mean serve. So it will naturally decrease below the final Ethereum one. We are making a governance proposal to adjust the block time estimate to 7 seconds for the next 3 months, after which we'll make another proposal to change the estimate to the current average block time of just above 6 seconds. This will result in an APR after block time adjustment and community tax education of around 18% for the next 3 months. After those 3 months, the proposal to change to the more accurate 6-second block time estimate, the APR will come back to follow our release curve, which is developed to be more sustainable for the network and tokenomics economies. Maybe that's all From me, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe this channel. Bye bye.